Good morning, everyone. Radhe Radhe. Welcome back to my Maldives adventure. So this is day 2 of our Maldives series, and we had an exciting lineup of activities planned. So let's get started. So we started the day with this breathtaking morning view from our hotel room. So the sun was rising and the ocean looked absolutely stunning. So I think it was the perfect way to kick off the day, I can say. So it was looking mesmerizing at that time, and we just enjoyed the view. And there was these little fishes swimming there, and हम balcony से उनको देख रहे थे, and we were recording them. So it was also looking very nice. And in the morning, the ocean was very still. I mean, बहुत ही calm और soothing effect दे रहा था वो हमारी eyes को. And then it was time for the breakfast. So in the lobby of our hotel, we just saw this cute little cat, काफी furry सी थी. So if I talk about the breakfast thing, this hotel offers multiple options, wide variety of delicious options. But yeah, वो सिर्फ non-vegetarians के लिए है. So for the vegetarians, people like us, we had only options to either eat fruits or pancakes or croissant or bread. That is all. So I mean, in the breakfast, we could only eat those things, nothing else. So as you can see, these were the options there. But when I was having the breakfast also, I just feel like the taste of these muffins, it tasted like a raw egg. I mean, maybe ठीक से cooked नहीं था, or I don't know what was the reason, but I didn't like the taste of it. So at last I just had some bread. Pancakes was nice. I had pancakes and some fruits. That is all. I was surviving there on these things only in the buffet. And also, if you are non-vegetarian, then it's a dream for you. There were so many options for non-vegetarian people there. But yeah, apart from that, it was nice experience. So here we were just having our breakfast, and these are the things that we had in our plates. वो बात अलग है, हमने खाया बस pancake और fruits ही. Else I didn't like the taste at all. It was not good. So for this day, we had some adventure activities planned for us, and the hotel where we were staying, the Arena Beach Hotel, they had multiple packages for water activities like full day adventure, half day adventure, or if the person wants to do any specific water activity, then those options were also there. So we opted for the full day adventure activities, which I will be showing you in some time what all activities comes under that. And also there were options like the person can opt either from the hotel where they are staying, or there were local vendors also who provide these things to you. You can go from their side also for these water activities. So after the breakfast, we were heading out for some thrilling experiences, and यहाँ पे boat पे they were playing multiple types of music, कभी Arabic, कभी Indian, and we were just enjoying the vibe there. People from different countries were on the same boat, and they were talking to each other, just explaining their own culture, and we were just vibing together. It was a great experience, I think. And after that, first up is the speedboat ride, and it was like a adrenaline rush that we experienced at that moment of time, and it was really nice. So for these water activities, what these guys do is they take us to different islands, and where these coral lives are there, we can see dolphins. तो वो ऐसे islands पे हम लोगों को लेके जाते हैं where we could get a chance to see those wonderful creatures. And right here they just called everyone outside the boat just to see the dolphins there that you can see. So these playful creatures are just joy to watch. And fingers crossed, like we get this chance to see them, and it was looking very nice. And also ये dolphins ना ये group में थी. It's not like any single dolphin is swimming at some place. ये multiple dolphins in a group, they were moving together, and they were doing some things like flips and all of that. It was looking very nice to just watch them, and we recorded a long videos. I'm just adding some snippets here right now, and this was the best part. Like this was the best part. After that, we headed for the snorkeling that you can see, and this underwater world was mesmerizing. Like it's full of colorful corals, and a variety of marine life was there. But yes, initially I was very scared going inside the water. It was very deep, and I'm not very used to of water things. I mean, I have some sort of water phobia. Like you can see here, my husband was continuously asking me to make a heart, and I was not getting this thing because I was in a panic mode. But yes, finally I understood it and I made that. But later on, eventually, I just learned how to swim in this water and with all these corals. And like you can see, I was just moving like a mermaid. And then we met this cute boy. He was on the same boat and he was so cute and he was just smiling towards us, and we were just playing with him and he was reciprocating it in all ways. And I don't know what these two were doing, but I was just enjoying it. It was very cute to see both of them like this. And yes, so after doing snorkeling and witnessing the dolphins, we were lucky enough to spot the turtle also during our water excursion. But yes, we couldn't record it because we were not carrying our phones with us, and also the cameraman that was with us during this excursion was not nearby, so that is the reason we couldn't record it. But it was really incredible to see those majestic creatures. So after all the activities, they organized lunch for us on the small isolated island, and it was a great experience having lunch at the bay. But the lunch was not at all good. I mean, they had two options, like for vegetarians and non-vegetarians, and as usual we got to eat this food which only had some rice, fruits and vegetables, जो कि बहुत ही फीके थे. राइस बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं थे. बट वी सर्वाइव्ड ऑन दैट. देखिए खूबसूरत महिलाओं को देखते हुए कैसे मुस्कुरा रहे हैं. By the way, guys, I just asked him to do that, so don't take it seriously. And after that, in the evening, we decided to go out for a walk and just to grab some food because we were literally very hungry. We didn't had a good breakfast and also lunch as well. So and while we were just exploring the local restaurants, we just got to see this cute, colorful parrot. And this beautiful parrot, I mean, it's so colorful and friendly. And guys, this parrot literally shouted. And that is why he got our attention so sudden. I mean, ये restaurant वालों के tactics हैं to grab the attention of all the tourists. And obviously we ended up eating at their restaurant only. And after having the dinner, I just asked one of the staff member to just have this parrot on my hand. And I don't know if it's visible from my expressions or not, but the parrot was holding so tightly onto my hand, जैसे किसी को नोच देते हैं ना, like that. And it was painful, but yes, I mean, अच्छा लग रहा था उसको लेके. It was for the very first time like I'm having some sort of a bird on my hand, but I think उसको इतना मज़ा नहीं आया मेरे हाथ पे. And वो after कुछ seconds he went back to his place. So ठीक है, अच्छा था. And after that we were just heading back to our hotel just to have some sleep. And बहुत थक गई थी after water activities. I mean, हर कोई थक जाता है, बहुत ही hectic होता है. But yes, we enjoyed this day.